One thing I've come to realize is that AI remote jobs are the new big ways to cash out on life in 2026. And that is why it's my priority to bring these opportunities to you. And it is your priority for you to carry out the process of applying for these remote jobs. Now, in this video, I have three good websites that are currently recruiting for AI remote jobs. What you do basically is to train AI to carry out certain activities. And now these jobs, some of them pay from as much as $10 to $15 per hour by just training AI. All you have to do for me in 2026, like I've said in my previous videos, is just be consistent. Carry out applications, submit lots of applications for you to be able to get these jobs. Now, in the day and age we are, you can apply for more than two, three jobs, and you could do all of them at the same time from the comfort of your home. And that is why this video is coming up. Now, if you're coming across my channel for the first time, please and please like, subscribe, and also hit on the notification bell to actually get notified when I post videos. Without wasting much of your time, let's head straight into the video. Now, the first website where you could land and apply remote AI jobs in 2026 is Surgehq.ai. Surgehq.ai is a very, very, very informative, and they are currently recruiting for generative AI jobs, and you can apply straight, and by God's grace you get the job. So let's head straight into my screen so that I can show you how to apply on this platform. So like I said, Surge AI is the current block, and basically you could apply. You can also follow them on LinkedIn to get updates on what they're currently doing. But not to waste your time, we're just going straight into the career section. So once you click on the careers, you could see a data scientist, for deployed data scientists, machine learning research scientists, and so on. And we see their platform engineers, their back end engineers, data science, full stack. Those are for my engineer guys. Now, field engineering, you can see AI programs, analyst, and so on and so forth. But what we are interested in is the generative AI for those who don't have any specific skills. Um, you just apply for the generative AI. Here is it. So you could see generative AI, which is for generalist. But if you have any specific skill, then you could just apply for them. So you click on generative AI. About us, you could see the role as a generative AI at Surge. We play a critical role in optimizing the system and processes that support our product. So you just read through blah blah blah, what you will do, oversee end-to-end products, operation cycle, blah blah blah. What we are looking for: strong analytic skills to focus on improving optional efficiency, how to apply. Now, in order for you to apply, this is how you go. Please pay attention. We're looking for smart, motivated people with excellent communication skill and meticulous attention to detail. We created a short email case study to help us, which is you, to get to know you better. Once you have completed it, please email your results along with a copy of your resume to careers@surgehq.ai. So let's take a look at the email case study. And so you see it, email writing exercise. Imagine the process. So you just follow this whole process, and then you submit your tags alongside with your resume to careers@surgeai.com. That is how you applied for Surge AI. That's how you apply for Surge AI. So that's how you apply for Surge AI. Now, please and please make sure you pay attention to details when applying for these jobs, because they are really specific on details. Look at the email case study and then do exactly as you're told. Then submit your application to careers@surgehq.ai. Now, the next on my list is none other but iMerit. iMerit is really, really very new, and we just got to find out about iMerit, and you can apply. So I'm going to take you through how you can apply on iMerit. Please and please, I'm still begging you, because if you really want to make money in 2026, you really need to pay attention to things I'm saying. So iMerit is the second on my list, and let's head straight into my screen. So on iMerit careers, you could say build the future of AI, what's the mission, blah blah blah, and the rest. So a career in AI for across domains. So you see the financial service, retail, and commerce, and so on and so forth. Find the right job for you. So there are different sections on Merit AI. You can see the business operations, the data annotations, and the domain experts. So for the business operations, if you have knowledge in global sales, marketing, customer success, solution architect, and so on, you could apply for the business operations. Meanwhile, on the data annotation, which is a role I feel you should apply for if you don't have much knowledge on the business operation and you're not a domain expert, you can apply on the data annotation. These roles are core team working on okay, these roles are the core teams working on data annotation, labeling projects for iMerit clients. You use the latest tool and technology to take some similar information, so which is images, videos, just to train an AI. And here's for the domain experts, for those who have expertise in certain areas. They call them the iMerit scholars. iMerit scholars offers flexible remote work where your specific skills and domain knowledge are paired with AI project requiring human feedback. So there's other part, but let's see how to apply for the data annotation. And so you could apply. It's very, very easy. Apply for a data annotation, data enrichment here. Your first name, your last name, your email, upload your resume, your cover letter, which is optional, but you can also upload it. What makes you qualified to join our team? So you can also state that, and then you apply for the data annotation. So that's basically how to apply on that. And for those who are expertise, you apply. So once you click on um the extract options, you become an iMerit scholar and you join their scholars. So when you click on it, to bring you to this page, register for iMerit scholars. Thank you for your interest. This form, so you write your name, email, your country of residence, phone number. So these are for medical professionals, yes, in the US, other countries, educational skills, and so on. Resume, your AI training, LMM experience. You can also add that, and so on. So this is how to apply on iMerit AI. So take every step I just explained to you, and then you could get land remote jobs on iMerit. Now the third and the last website I'm going to be introducing to you where you can land remote jobs is Rise Data Labs. However, this website is not open to all countries. They are just more of the advanced countries. You don't get third world countries jobs there. So but for those who are in the US, in the UK, and you're watching this video, you can also apply. But I'll just take you through um, that website. Let me show you how to land remote jobs from that website. So on Rise Data Labs, you see open positions. Once you click on the careers, these are the open positions you get. So the PR strategy lead, which is a partnership, Washington DC, sales account. So you could see all these are in the US. There's one for India, for my Indian viewers. You can also apply US and so on. So basically this is open to just third world countries, and also not really open to everybody, but you can also apply and land remote jobs from Rise Data Labs. So if you've watched to this point, thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit on the notification bell to get notified when I post the next video. Like I said, you need to apply more for you to be able to land more remote jobs in 2026. See you in my next video. Cheers.